Well, here we are. It's Dyracuse season opener. We're at Camp Redneck the night before. We got the ETR over there. Trey's putting on his helmet. He's guaranteed to crash, so stay tuned. Jesse's over here with his brand new helmet, courtesy of 920 Boys. He's on this Razor, modded the hell out. I'm out there on my Talaria Sting MX4. I switched my street tires over. I got the Shinko 240s, I think they are, or whatever the hell. I switched them over to these because I knew we were going to be out here and I wasn't going to have enough traction with those other ones. Fresh graphics, listing the sponsors: Wally Schmidt Excavating, Tanner's Tap and Grill, Schulze Exteriors, Wicked Leisure, Kenny's Auto on Main Street, Excel Rapid Styling. Holy shit! No way, dude. This is nuts. Absolutely bonkers. Absolutely bonkers.
That is so sick. Are you recording that?
Of course.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's faceful. Oh! I think we're going backwards. Oh, ow! Just throwing rocks at me. You're gonna get it later for that, buddy. Ah! You son of a bitch! That hurts! That 450 power!
I beat the shit out of it. Like, I mean, that's what they're for, you know?
This is nuts, people. Actors are on a closed course. Do not try this at home. Oh, boosted!
Oh, that's awesome.
I know, dude. That's why I'm like, you gotta go out there. Morning. We're out here.
The 4th of 9 on me.
We got the whole crew today, guys. We got Jake on the CRF 450 RL. We got Jesse. We got Keith over there on the KTM. Jake Kilby letting me ride the 450 RL. We got Trey on the KX 250. We got Bryn. We got Carson, Justin Wagner over here on the Suzukis.
Look at all the guys. That is awesome. It's crazy how everyone gets together like this. Hell yeah, guys. It couldn't be a better day. This is awesome. Look at how packed it is, guys. This is awesome. Wow, such a turnout. So many people. They don't open until 10 o'clock and they were all here way before 9:30, guys. You're trying to go to a great event, this is it. Dyracuse 2025, guys. Excellent turnout.
We got the Happy Carnivore on site. Billy and Chad. Billy and Chad pulling up. What it do? What up, dude? We're about to make some tasty grub, huh?
We were pulling in, these guys are there. That's fucking sad.
Yeah, dude. Like I said, the Happy Carnivore. They're based out of Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Been friends with Billy and Chad for 10 years. You can see they got popcorn up in there. They got slushies, brisket, pulled pork, brisket Philly sandwich. That sounds fire. Their beans. Where is it? Aunt Terry's beans. Those are fire. Tiger's blood. That's what you need.
Oh shit.
Let's got that tiger in him. There we are. Coming to the end of the day here. Season opener at Dyracuse 2025. It's packed. We got the food bus out here with some barbecue. We got all the guys out here. We got the new canopy popped up, the old canopy popped up. This summer's gonna be crazy. 2025, all gas, no brakes. That's the motto. Like and subscribe. And obviously, share the shit. Take your buddies if you see them. And yeah, until next time, keep her on two wheels. Peace out.